Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem if you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download anything from Google Play Store on FOSSIBot F101. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store, and as you can see, if I click on try again, it doesn't seem to work. And to fix this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find the system, then date and time, and right here change to set time automatically, use network provided time. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try again, now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.